Hey guys, it's Yasi. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all all the details on this wig, how it looks inside, the color I got and everything. I'm going to be showing y'all all of that and how I'm applying it. And I'm also going to be showing you guys the packaging that it came in, which is right here. It's the Sleek Lay by Outre. And the name of this wig is Dalilah. It's in 34 inches. And I got this color that you see here. I'm not about to read that because it looked like a math equation or something. But yeah, this is how the front looks. Go ahead and open it up and take it out. And I was trying to get a feel for the wig and see how the hair looks, how the frontal quote unquote looks. It's really not a frontal, it's just a T part. I don't know why they call it a frontal. I think that's a scam. They should stop saying that, but whatever. This is the little information thing that it came with, and you can see all the colors that you can get this wig in on the back in case you were interested in getting a different color. And I'm planning on wearing this wig tomorrow, but for today I'm going to put it on my wig stand and I'm going to customize it so that it's ready to just kind of put on by tomorrow, just to make it a little bit easier on me because I have a lot of stuff going on tomorrow and I want to be able to just slap on this wig and head out. Anyways, y'all, the first thing that I'm going to do to start customizing this wig is first cutting off the lace, and I just move all the edges out the way and I like to hold it in my hand for extra precision. And your cut should kind of look something like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to go in with some contour powder. You can go in with any foundation that you have at your house that matches your skin. This is just my choice because I had this for a long time and I need to get something different because as y'all can see, I'm running out. But I just use a little powdered face brush and I just use that and dab it all over the lace until it turns like a brownish color that matches my skin a bit more than the pastel-y ashy look that lace tends to come with most of the time. And once I have that done, I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my canvas head. And here you just see me going in with another brush just because I felt like it could use just a little bit more. Since I'm going to be doing a photo shoot with this wig, I want it to be absolutely perfect. So I just went in with a smaller brush that I use for like eyeshadow, and I just dabbed a little bit extra contour powder on the lace that was on the outside. I'm going to be applying her right now. And yeah, this is how she looks. I already put like makeup on the part and stuff already, but I think I made it a little too orange, but we'll see when I put it on. And yeah, I just put this on top of it. This doesn't actually go with it, but I might use this to tie the wig down with, to lay it down. And I'm trying to figure out if I want to do edges or not. I think like the way it looks, like I think the wispy edges will look really, really cute. But I kind of want to try out the no edge look because it's going to look more mature and less extra. But I kind of want to leave them there. I mean, I don't know about y'all, but like I'm an edges girl. Like I love edges. So we'll see how that goes. Anyways, all the materials that I'm going to be using to apply this wig are probably my edge booster mousse. If I do the wispy edges like I was talking about, I don't know if I'm gonna leave the edges out or not, or if I'm gonna push them back for a more mature look. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, y'all, because as I said in my other videos, I'm really an edge girl. I love edges. I think it's so pretty. But yeah, got to be glued, a fine tooth comb, and my hot comb just in case I need to lay the top of the hair down. And also I might use this Eben Wander lace bond just to lay down these hairs right here and make sure they do not move. Like my hair, it don't move, it don't move. That's how I need my hair to be for this photo shoot, because I noticed in some of my other pictures that I do on my own and stuff, like when I'm just kind of like doing random pictures, I notice sometimes my hair, like it be sticking out, like it be a lot of hair sticking out, and that shit bothers me. So yeah, I'm going to make sure that I glue this sucker down. I only really do this to my synthetic units. My human hair units, they don't really tend to stick out that much. So anyway, I had on a completely different wig before I started this video, because if y'all like my makeup, get into it. I'm posting a video on that, and I had a completely different wig on, so those are the wig caps I chose to have on. But yeah, so I braided my hair last night. I just did the they be calling these the pop smoke braids. Yeah, I just did those because for some reason that's the only direction I know how to braid. But yeah, this is how my hair looks before I put the wig on, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on, tie my hair back. That's kind of how I get it flat. I just tie it into a good ponytail, but I try not to make it too tight, even though I could make it tighter than what I'm about to make it, just because wigs tend to give me headaches. So I don't want to overdo it, because I'm gonna have this on for a very long time. I can't just take it off when I feel like taking it off. Since today is photo shoot day, I'm gonna be using a brand new wig cap. I know a lot of people do all the extra stuff where they like cut the wig cap down and glue it and make sure I don't do all that. I just feel like it's doing too much, because I like to take my wigs off at the end of the day. So there literally isn't a point in me doing that. It will be very counterproductive to do that. So yeah, I'm going to be mixing 2 of the wig caps together. And basically I wear 2 wig caps because it keeps my hair a little bit flatter. So I'm just going to be using these 2. I have a lot of different colors. This one's lighter, and then this one is a little bit more my skin color. But yeah, I'm just going to open these up. And the reason I'm mixing them is because that really light one isn't my skin color. So in order for them to be useful to me, I have to like layer them underneath something. I might just wear 1 wig cap today, because my braids, like, they're pretty flat, to be honest. I think I can get away with 1 wig cap. But since I'm opening a brand new wig cap, that's good for y'all, because I'm about to show y'all what I do to make sure my wig cap is like reusable and stuff. So basically the wig cap, turns out, it just starts off looking like this, you know, regular wig cap. And all I do is, you see this band right here, that band right there, I literally just cut like a U and cut around the band just a little bit. And after you do that, it should have good stretch, and it should just plop right on your head and have like a seamless look. But yeah, I'm just doing that. I would do it for y'all on camera, but like I need to see what I'm doing. But yeah, I just cut a bit of that band off. You don't have to do a whole lot because it's so stretchy, but do a good amount. And I recommend doing this with like some lace scissors, but these are the only scissors I have with me right now. And yeah, you should have something like this, where this front piece is missing and then it's some band around it. Then you're just gonna put it on your head. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. So yeah, it should look something like this. This wig cap is really, really tight. This doesn't even fit my head. So yeah, that's pretty much how I make my wig caps. For some reason, it's not fitting. So I'm just going to use my old wig caps. Unfortunately, I was trying to use a fresh one. But yeah, I don't know. It's like they changed the quality or something. It doesn't stretch as much. Or maybe, you know what? Maybe I cut the band all the way off and just don't remember. But yeah, I'm just going to wear this 1 wig cap. I think I should be good with 1 wig cap. I got this really long. I think it should be about 34 inches long. I'm not going to mess with the curls too much because it's not time to go yet. So I don't want to do too much. As y'all can see, these are the little edges we're working with. Y'all, honestly, they're so thin that like I don't even see the point in really leaving them out for real. Like if I did a little wispy look, yeah, I think I'm just gonna push them back. Yeah, and I probably could have plucked this hairline so it can look better. I might try to do that while it's on my head. I didn't know the hairline was gonna look like this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try and pluck the hairline while it's on my head a little bit. Just gonna part some of it out and just grab some strands and pull them, just so that it don't look so straight across my head looking. I wish I seen this last night though, because I would have been did this. And if I do any edges, it's just gonna be like these little side hairs right here. And that should be enough to like hold it down and make me feel confident. Yeah, I really like this wig. But as y'all can see, like it already looks a little bit better. I just wanted to look better than what we started with. That's pretty much all. I'm not aiming for perfection because I'm very aware that that's not really attainable right now. But yeah, this wig is pretty much already ready to go. It doesn't look like I need to do much to it. I really like how this is. I really recommend this wig. The color is popping, first of all. Like anybody would look good in this little beige blonde that it has going on. Like it's a real soft nude type of blonde. I really like that. And then also, like, look how easy this is to just, you literally just put it on your head. Like you cannot mess this up. And then imagine if I had time to like really pluck this hairline. Like it might not be a frontal wig, which is what I usually like because it has more variety to it, but they definitely made it so that you would be able to customize it at least just a little bit to your liking. But yeah, I'm really a fan of the way this looks. I think the hairline is starting to look very nice given the lack of time that I had and stuff. Even if it looks a little bit bald up close like this, the thing is you want it to look like it was plucked from like kind of far back, because I'm gonna be further back. I can pluck a minimal amount of hair and just have it look good up close, but then from far away it'll look like I didn't do anything. So I wanted to make sure that it looks like I did something. I know I can be more gentle than this, but I just want to make sure that it looked like, okay, that wig is plucked even from a distance. But yeah, once I'm done plucking, I'm just gonna go in with my Got To Be and my hot comb, and I'm just going to make sure that my hair is glued into a good placement so that it is not moving when I get to the studio and all of that. This should do. It looks really good up close, but from far away I will say it kind of looks like a helmet, but that's okay. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb. I really need an extension cord, and I'm just going to bring these hair back like so, like this basically. And then once I got it all into place and I got like the little edges right here out, I'm just gonna put Got To Be glued on everything so that it can stay. But I am gonna leave like a little tufts of hair on the side right there, even though I could just like go straight, no edges, but I want the little tufts right here. And I'm just gonna hot comb the rest of the hair back. And I'm just letting y'all know what I'm gonna do because I had to do it off camera because I don't have an extension cord by me right now. So yeah, I'll be back once I did the hot comb. Okay guys, so I finished with the hot comb. It probably looks like I didn't do anything, but I promise y'all I did. When it comes to synthetic hair, you don't want to do too much. So yeah, I'm just gonna take some I Got To Be glued. Got about this much. I'm probably gonna need more than this, but this is what I'm starting off with. So yeah, I'm just putting it on all of the parts that I really want to lay down and look a certain way. And ideally you would want to use an edge brush for this too, but I don't feel like getting my edge brush, so I'm just going to use my fighting tooth comb as my guide. And I'm just making sure it's combed into my hair. Then I'm going to go on with some more. And this is just basically just molding the hair down. The part that I was telling y'all about the flyaways, I'm going to be using the Wanderlace even stuff, so don't even worry about that. This is just for like the molding purposes. And I'm just going to really make sure I put a lot of product up there. I want everything to be in place. As y'all can see, it's like really laying down like a fresh perm look, and that's exactly what I want. And the edges, I'm just laying down. I'm just gonna lay it down with some mousse because I don't want them to be super duper stiff looking. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content.